I went to go change the batteries in my smoke alarm upstairs. And I got mad, so I like punched the panel back in, and it set up my fire alarm. But like I'm so used to fire alarms being drills, like at school you have fire drills, all that stuff like that. So I was like sitting there, I was like, "Oh, this is gonna suck." And then I went, "Oh, this is my fire alarm." And then I ran downstairs to go check and like shut it off. So then I texted Max, one of our best friends, who at one time was a volunteer firefighter, and he got a message that was like, I said, "Hey Max, like, does it by chance say that there was a fire at this person's house, and this person being mine?" And he goes, "Yeah, is everyone all right?" I go, "Yeah, I was trying to change the batteries in my smoke alarm." And then he would send a picture. It was like changed when he changes his smoke alarm, and it was like hands from hell.
Oh, yeah.